Hello dear traders, I'm Maria Staradop and this is the review of crypto analytics from fx.co. It's the 18th of December, today Monday, and today we will make an detailed review of Bitcoin movement, including its technical picture, overall market sentiment, and weekly pivot points. And we have an article today by Sebastian Seliger, which was written on Friday. And here Sebastian suggests delving into Bitcoin's market's current landscape and packing the key indicators and patterns that could shape the near-term trajectory of the cryptocurrency. And he says that Bitcoin market is showing signs of bullish stance, bolstered by recent technical analysis and sentiment indicators. And this analysis incorporates pivotal data points, including weekly pivot points, trading outlook, intraday indicator signals, and sentiment scores, presenting a comprehensive view of Bitcoin's potential trajectory. The first thing to note is the uptrend indicated by the higher lows and higher highs, classic sign of bullish momentum. The support trend line drawn from the ascending lows has been a reliable springboard for price rebounds, while the resistance level, a horizontal line marking previous highs, is the immediate barrier bulls must overcome. And our chart shows several notable candlesticks formations. For example, pin bars. These reflect price rejection and can be interpreted as bullish or bearish depending on their placement and subsequent price action. Hammock bars and this particular pin bar found at the bottom of retracement often signals bullish reversal potential. And bearish doji occurring at the resistance level, this pattern signifies market indecision. While it could herald a reversal, traders will be watching for confirmation in the following candles. If we refer to moving averages, both the exponential moving average and the double exponential moving average are trading upwards and sit below the current price, reinforcing the strength of the uptrend. A sustained position above these lines typically conveys bullish sentiment among market participants. If we refer to the indicator, for example, RSI, it is currently at comfortable 54.80, avoiding the overbought or oversold territories. And this suggests that Bitcoin has some room for movement before encountering the overextension risks often associated with RSI extremes. Talking about weekly pivot points, the weekly pivot of the last trading week was 42,173. First resistance is 43,937. Second resistance 45,536. And the third resistance 48,882. As for support levels, the first support level is 83. Second support 38,818, and the third support 35,484. These levels offer strategic insights for traders, marking potential targets and turnaround zones. If we talk about the market's mood, the sentiment scoreboard mirrors the technical indicators with a pronounced bullish inclination. Current sentiment 73% bulls vs 27% bears. Last week was 65% vs 35, and the last 3 days already last trading week, a slight shift but still bullish at 57 vs 43%. Making a conclusion of all the above mentioned, the overall market sentiment and technical indicators for Bitcoin indicate a strong bullish bias. The detailed analysis of pivot points complements this outlook, providing traders with a roadmap of critical price levels to watch. As the sentiment remains favorable, the onus is on maintaining key support levels to sustain the upward movement. The technical outlook is cautiously optimistic. The key will be the market's reaction at the resistance level. A convincing breach could pave the way for new highs, whereas a rejection might lead to consolidation or a pullback. Okay, let's have a look at the chart of Bitcoin for a moment. So it's the 18th of December, and Bitcoin opened today at the point 41,190, and now it is trading at 41,077. Well, as for now, it's a little lower. Well, maybe not even a little, but lower the weekly pivots from the last trading week, and it's a little above the first support level. It's quite far from its resistance. We can see that Bitcoin has declined from yesterday's high above 42,000. It lost about 1,000 points from yesterday and from Friday also. And so far we can see slight decline and consolidation. Well, anyway, the trading week has just begun, and a lot of interesting events are ahead. We will keep the finger on the pulse and share the information with you. Don't miss our podcasts and reports. And we will see each other tomorrow in our next review. We should have a nice day, and till next time, goodbye.